So we've opted to have 2 additional trees done, which he's just working on now, and it'll be done. I've just been in the orchid house and it's 30 degrees and it's still mid-morning here, so but I think it's going to be easier to shade the orchid house than it is to have more light in there. Hopefully I won't have to have those electric lights anymore, and we've got plenty of shade cloth we can use, so that's not an issue. It's like the chap said, it's easier to shade something than it is to get more light in it. So just doing the last big branch. Little one gone. As you can see, just getting, ooh, God, it looks wobbly. Oh, God. Man, it must be really hot up there. I don't envy him at all. What's he using? Oh, it's a little saw. Well, that's clever. Clear a space, I suppose. Oh, that tree's wobbling. Wow. I think you've got to be monkey-like to do this job. Get a better view. Whoa, here we go, and that's a very tall one. How tall it is. It's right up there. Ooh. Man. Of course, that would be too weak for him to... Ooh, gosh. Woo! What did he go on?
Potatoes.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah, I didn't want to angle it through that way, just in case I couldn't swing the bucket.
Yeah.
Not an issue.
You couldn't climb it. It was too weak, wasn't it?
No?
It was too weak for you to go up it.
I was going any higher than I am.
No.
It's what? My forearm's thicker than where it is my waist, so.
Yeah. Anyway, that's it. Oh my goodness, that's wobbling. Get down off that tray. It looks weak. Oh, I couldn't do that. Scare the pants off me. Now you'll chop it down lower, and that'll be that. Jesus. All these little bits. I noticed he doesn't wear gloves. Put the chainsaw on the belt and bung that one down. Next bit. It's scary. Another bit. Last bit. Wonder why it keeps stopping, the chainsaw. Probably the angle while it's done.
Woo!
Brilliant. Oh, one little last bit. Fantastic.